Bonjour tout le monde. Okay, here is your graded project for today. This is your big one. Hopefully you already completed your 2 activities in your dossier. So now you have finished number 4 and 5. We will again grade those on Monday. You will bring them up to me and I will grade those in the moment in class. But for this is on your own. You are doing, each one of you is doing your own slideshow. So when you go back on Canvas, you click on the link next to the green checkbox that says Le temps dans le monde, which is the weather in the world. You will have your own slideshow. Here's what the front slide looks like. It says directions. For each slide, you will research the current temperature in Celsius, and I will show you how to do that, and the weather conditions. You will write 2 weather situations for each place. Okay, so let's go to the next slide here. Next, so this is my slide that I did as an example. I chose Paris. You are not going to choose Paris. You're going to choose a different city in France to find the weather for today. So I chose Paris. I put Paris up here. And then from the very last slide, you're going to see that there's all kinds of weather options for you to choose from. So right now, if you just click ahead and go to the very last slide on your slideshow, you'll see that there's lots of options for you to cut and paste. So I found that today, now I'm doing this on Wednesday. Today in Paris, it is cloudy and foggy, so I put clouds and fog, and then I noticed that the temperature is 7 degrees Celsius, so I put a 7 right here. Notice I have 3 things: clouds, fog, and the temperature. You have to have 3 things for every slide. Then, in this box down here, you're going to write the 3 things that you're talking about. So first I said, il fait 7 degrés. That takes care of my degrees. Il y a des nuages. It's cloudy. And il y a du brouillard. It is foggy. Those are the 3 things I wrote. Okay? So notice these are your slides that you have to do. You have to pick a city in France. You can pick any one you want. And you're going to do the same thing that I did on my last slide. Then you are going to choose Quebec. You're going to research the weather in Quebec right now because that's a French-speaking province and city in Canada. Do the same thing. Then you're going to go to New Orleans, which is right here in Louisiana. You're going to put the little New Orleans and you're going to put the weather icons on there and do the same thing I did. Then you are going to choose either Switzerland or Belgium. Switzerland here, Belgium up here, and you're going to do the same thing. And then lastly, you get to pick a French-speaking country in Africa. If you don't know, you're going to have to Google, French-speaking country in Africa, find where it is on the map, and then look up the weather. Now, looking up the weather, what you're going to do is you're going to type in weather.com. Then in the search engine here, you're going to maybe type in Belgium. Let's see, I might need to actually choose a city in Belgium. How about Brussels? Belgium. There we go. Brussels, Belgium. Now, in order to choose Celsius, that is right up here. So maybe in yours right now, it says Fahrenheit. Okay, so yours probably says an F right here for Fahrenheit. What you need to do, because the United States is the only country, I believe, in the world who uses the standard system. Everybody else uses metric. So we have to click on that, and then you have to choose C for Celsius. Okay? I notice now in Brussels, it is 5 degrees Celsius. So that is what I'm going to put. I also notice it is, let's see, today in Brussels, it is cloudy. And I could probably put, I could say it's cold. Okay? I could say it's cold, it's cloudy, and it's 5 degrees Celsius. All right? So you're going to do that for each one. You're going to search for a city, or you just put in New Orleans, or you put in Quebec. You're going to have to figure out a city in Africa, and then Switzerland or Belgium. Okay? That is your job for today. This is due at the end of the day today, so this should be finished in class. I will be grading them over the weekend. When you finished, you can work on your Duolingo. Make sure you have your 100 Duolingo points for this week, and that's your job for today. All right, Tulamond, let me know if you have any questions. You can email me. I might be able to respond to you as quick as I can on Friday. All right, bonne chance.